How to fix camera crashing in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then on top you can see the option app management. Now click on it. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now here you can see the option backup and reset. Now click on it and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings and click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.